Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So I'm sorry if this side looks a little bit dark. One of my lights just shorted out, so I'm just trying to work with what I have. I feel like my lights are always breaking down or one of them are shorting out or something. So lighting problems. But anyways, today is going to be my, what month are we in? January, yeah? January? Yes, January 2020 BoxyCharm unboxing. It is going to be my first BoxyCharm of 2020, the Roaring 20s, the new year. This is crazy. I say it every video, but I'm like, I can't believe we're in this month, and I feel like BoxyCharm for some reason just always makes me feel like time is going by very fast, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's another new month, another new BoxyCharm. Like, time is going by so fast, and I heard that time goes by much faster when you're older because you've already lived like a big chunk of your life, as opposed to when you're younger you feel like time's going by a lot slower because you haven't lived most of your life. So something to think about. So I am very excited to open up my BoxyCharm, and we've been getting so much good stuff in this box, and I've been like impressed every single month, and I'm like, BoxyCharm is stepping up their game, and they are one of the best subscription box services. I love that they give full-size products, and I always put my link down below in case you guys want to sign up with my code, and it is an affiliate link, so I get a small commission from it, and I appreciate it every time you guys use my link. It means so much to me, so thank you guys so much. I'm so glad you guys trust in me and in my reviews. So if you guys want to find out what is inside this month's BoxyCharm, just keep watching. I hope you are as excited as I am. And what do you also think of straight hair me? This is crazy. I have not worn my hair straight in so long. I've really just been wearing it curled or wear it just like natural waves. Now that I have it straight, I'm like, oh my gosh, I missed it like this. It's just a nice change and it feels really sleek. Okay guys, so let's get into the unboxing, and you guys know how I do this. I don't look inside the box. I don't look at spoilers. All I do is I literally just reach my hand in and I don't read the pamphlet. I just pull out one product at a time, and it's just kind of fun for me that way. Okay, product number one, Dr. Brandt. We have a Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. This has Ruby Crystal Complex, and I'll tell you guys the prices of everything after when I read the pamphlet. There's no parabens or anything like that, but I am seeing that retinol is literally on the bottom of the ingredients list. So if you guys don't know how ingredients lists work, what is at the top has the most concentration in the product. What is at the bottom, it has the least concentration. So of course the first two ingredients are water, and the second one is glycerin. And glycerin, like, that's something you'll find also in Fix Plus, and it kind of just provides like that instant kind of like wet kind of soothing feel to the skin. Like, you know how if you spray MAC Fix Plus, your face just looks kind of like dewy and everything looks smoothed over. You can buy glycerin like at a drugstore too, like in a big bottle. So that's something that's kind of like, is it really gonna be that strong? But I also think at the same time, should you really be putting something with a super strong retinol right by your eye? Probably not. So I'm assuming that's why it's more towards the bottom of the list, like a lower concentration. Always read your ingredients lists and, you know, pay attention to things like parabens, and I always like to read through them and see what's in the products I'm using. Next one, let's see. What is it? Oh, okay. Grande Cosmetics. I actually own this mascara. I got it from them in PR. So this is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. So I really like this mascara. It has a really nice big fat natural bristle wand, and I love the fact that it has castor oil in it because that helps promote and stimulate the lashes for growth. And I just think that is such a smart concept. Like, we want to grow our eyelashes, we want to have them big and thick, so why not combine a mascara with castor oil? So this I will probably just set aside for a giveaway because I already have one, but this is really cool that they're in the box. I am a huge fan of Grande Cosmetics. Their lash serum is amazing. Like, that makes your lashes look so thick and full. I'm actually also interested in, after seeing Makeup by Tiffany D use it and her lashes look insane, is Revitalash. if you watch her videos, she has like, her lashes are so thick, like they are like to the sky. So that is another lash growth product I'm interested in. But anyways, I think this is really cool that this made its way into the box, and it is a really good mascara, and I am super picky with my mascara, so this is Kim approved. Okay, next product. What is it, you guys? Skin & Co. This is like, I swear, it's the brand that is always in like a box or like a gift bag, because I got a lot of their products in a gift bag maybe like 2 years ago. So their whole thing is like truffle in their products and their skincare. So this is the Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face. I think that's what it's called. Black truffle extract is an anti-aging powerhouse ingredient, protects against free radicals. Apricot seed powder gently exfoliates. Sweet almond extract, high in vitamins A and E. Squalane is from olive oil, and it is nourishing and mimics the skin's sebum or oil. And then there's allantoin, which is a skin conditioner. So just kind of like a rundown on the ingredients. So I think this is a face scrub. Yeah, it is. It's an exfoliator, a physical exfoliator. I don't know if this has like the apricot granules in it, but I heard those are like really bad for your skin, and they create little micro tears in the skin. So I'm gonna have to look up some reviews of this and see what people are saying about it. I like the whole truffle concept, but then I'm like, it's just like marketing, or does it really work? This is a really nice big size product in here, and it says it's, I think it's, where is it made? It looks like it's made in Italy. It does seem like an Italian product. It says Skin & Co. Roma. So be reading my reviews on that. And we have one more, no, two more. What is this? Avant Shea Butter Rice Bran Panthenol Polydecene 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. I've never heard of this brand before, but it looks like it is from London, and it says to just apply it at night, and then you don't even need to wash it off in the morning. So I am super curious about this sleeping mask. Lately I haven't really been feeling like putting any sleeping masks on my face at nighttime. I've just kind of been, I don't know, like sometimes you just don't want to put anything on your face and then go on your pillow. So I haven't been using too many sleeping masks. I know they're so popular right now. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Definitely curious to learn about another new brand. And I like the ingredients in here as well. The only thing here that might not be great is there is fragrance in here, which I know we're all trying to avoid fragrance, especially with Drunk Elephant. They kind of launched that whole like fragrance is one of the bad ingredients that we shouldn't be using in our skincare. So there's that one. One more time. Okay, what's this one? Oh yeah, this is a good one. Okay, I think this just made the box because I was like not really feeling this one, but this makes it worthwhile. So this is the Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire Highlighter. This is pretty darn awesome. So it says it's infused with real crushed diamond powder and light reflecting pearls for a brilliant fancy pink diamond glow. So I don't know what color this is. Oh, it does say fancy pink diamond. So let me open this up. Oh, I don't want to ruin my nails, so let me get a scissor. So, bam. What does it look like? Ooh, it's like marbleized. Let's see. It's not like a super wet highlighter. Like it has more of a drier kind of feel. Can you guys see that? I'll have to do a close-up. Pretty pink gold kind of shade. I'm excited to try this out and see what it looks like. I don't think it's going to be as pigmented as, say, like the one I'm wearing today. This is the Rach Loves highlighter, and it's just like so bam pigmented in your face. Whereas this one, it does look a little more subtle to me. The packaging is super cute, very Too Faced, but I'm going to have to definitely try this out and see if I like this one or if I think it's like more of a kind of natural highlighter, even though it looks like it would be. But I do love the idea that this has diamond powder, and it just kind of makes it sound a little bit more fancy. And then when you look at the ingredients list, you can see it says like a diamond so and so powder, so it is in there. We're very excited about this, and that is everything, you guys. Let's look at the pamphlet for this month. So in case you guys are curious, I have box number 5. I'll do a rundown of the prices. So the Too Faced highlighter is $36. The Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream is $55. The Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Face Exfoliator is $28. And oh my gosh, this is shocking. This, do you guys know how much this is? Avant Skincare. It says, helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. This is $107 retail. What? That is so crazy. I would look at this and not think that. I guess because it's just more like a simple product with simple packaging. That threw me for a loop. Like, whoa. And the Grande mascara retails for $25 and it is thickening, no flake. Yeah, so let me just add those up and we'll have like a final total. So the total retail value for all the products, if you were to buy these all in store full price, is $251. And definitely like this guy drove the price up a ton. This Avant sleeping mask. Okay guys, just something I want to side note, because I was Googling this Avant sleeping mask because I was like, why is this price so high? So I Googled it and up popped Nordstrom Rack. So I was like, let me look. So it says retail price $107 crossed out, and it's a big size of that mask, and it's at Nordstrom Rack for $24.97, but then it was sold out. So just something to note. Maybe this was in the box just like to drive up the value of the box. But BoxyCharm is $25 for the month, so you are getting a crazy good value. This box, I would say, is definitely more like skincare heavy with these 3 products right here. Not my favorite box. I definitely think there have been better ones. But I think the obvious gem of all this is the Too Faced highlighter. I feel like I'm always going to favor like makeup as my favorite item in the box. Even though skincare is cool too. So that is January's box. Again, not my favorite, but still some good things in there to try out. Let me know if you guys got the same box as me or if you got something different. Comment down below. Let me know. I know you guys enjoy the BoxyCharm unboxing videos, and hoping that we get some good boxes here in 2020. We started out kind of okay, but the Too Faced was really good, so that kind of saved it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me this year. I am definitely open to your like ideas and suggestions. It could be shopping videos, tutorials, anything like that. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you so much, and I'll see you in my next one.